All right, hello guys. Welcome to Seski Trades once more. This is your host Seski. Today I just want to show you guys on how to place your first trade on spots using the LBank exchange. All right, like I've said before, if you've been watching my previous videos, LBank is my exchange of choice. I love LBank because it has a very intuitive user interface, and the maker and taker fees are very low, and also there are lots and lots of other bonuses. So if you haven't joined LBank yet, please find the link on the description here, click on it and join LBank with that link, or you check the pinned tweet or the pinned comment and use the link to join LBank. So moving on, let's get to why we're here today. It's to show you how to place your first sports trade on LBank. All right. So you look down, just look down, and you see where it says trade. All right. So you click on that part that says trade, and you wait for it to load an interface. On the right, it has loaded the interface for trading. So by default, it's usually on spot trading. By default, it is usually on spot trading. But to be sure, we just have to just check. To be very sure, you click on the top left where it shows the Solana USDC pair, and it brings us to this interface. All right, so you can see that it's on spots by default. So if you want to go to futures, we click on futures. So since it's spots, we leave it there on spots. So I want to buy Solana USDT. So it's already on Solana USDT. If you want to buy any other assets like BTC, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Ton, and SUI, and the likes, you just come and click on whichever one, or you just use the search bar to search for whatever coin you want to buy. All right, so I want to buy Solana now. Then yeah, I make sure that I look down and see, you can see where it's written market just below the buy, the green buy. You click on it to be sure. All right, normally sometimes to be on limit or to be on trigger. So but being on market means you want to buy Solana at the current market price. Limit means you want to buy it at a future price, either it's higher or it's lower. All right, so me, I want to buy at the current market price of Solana. All right, instead of buying at the future price. All right, so I'll click on markets and I'm good. All right, so you come to where it says volume USDT, so you click on it. You can now type the amount. If it's $100 worth of assets you want to buy, BTC, Solana, or whatever it is, you can now type the amount, or you use the slider that you can see here. All right, let me show you. See the slider, you can use it. All right, so you can increase it to 10. Since I want to use all the money mark, I want to buy the Solana. You can see available 4.77 USDT. All right, so I increase the slider to 100%, and I can buy, or you can just come in there and type how much you want to buy Solana, and check if everything is okay, and you're set. All you have to do is click on buy sold. Right? So it says, all right, order price, market, order amount, 4.77 USDT, and that is what you want to buy. All right, so you click on confirm. It made that sound, and meaning that my buy was successful. So right now I own Solana as an asset on the exchange. So I now own Solana as an asset. So if you want to check, all you have to do is just to go to your assets. You click on assets and let it load. All right, let me do that. All right, as you can see, it has loaded. All right, so you can see it's already telling you the spots. You have $4.77. So all you have to do is just scroll down. Scroll down, you can see Solana. You have 0.037524 Solana, which is an equivalent of 4.77 USDT, or $4.77. All right, worth of Solana. All right, so and this is basically how to you know buy and sell Solana. If you want to sell your Solana, you can just go back to the same place. All right, you go back here and you click on sell. and you sell everything. You can use the slider, you click on the amount of Solana you want to sell. So that is it basically. It's the same process for buy and sell. So yeah, I think I've come to the end of the video. If you loved this video and you want me to post more videos like this, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more videos like this. And the next video I should be talking about futures trading and how to make trade on futures. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you on the next